Hey guys, Alex with another video again. Today I'm going to talk about some of the main things you need to check before you go for work after your lockdown is finished. So let's just start right into it. Okay guys, so as you know, I've got a BMW F30 320i, which basically have a lot of automatic engine checks and oil checks that is available on your driver's seat. So I'll still go through all the manual things that you need to check on your car. Alright? So this car has an oil sensor which gives all the information on the infotainment system inside the car, which makes it easier for me. But otherwise you can always check the engine oil by opening the bonnet of the car to check the level. Plus when you turn your engine on, listen to the sound of the engine for any irregularity if you notice. Talk about the coolant level. There is a notification that comes on when the fluid is low on this car, but still some of the cars still need to be checked manually. This ensures that the engine don't get overheat and balance the temperature while you're on the high rev and mostly long drives. So talk about the tire pressure. That will change to the temperature, and plus since mostly our cars were idle for 4 to 5 weeks time during this lockdown, this has more chance of air escaping from the micro cracks of the rubber. I recommend to check the tire pressure once in every month or minimum 2 months time. So the fourth one would be checking all the lights which are functioning or not for the car. Checking the lights would be for headlights, plate lights, tail lights, brake lights and indicators. Since in New Zealand you might even get a ticket for not having a working lights. So make sure these are working before heading on the road. Lastly, want to talk about the windshield wiper fluids. Most of the cars will give notification when you turn on the engine. Hence, I can't check this manually for this car. So make sure that is topped up every time for clear vision on the road always. So you can see on the vehicle status, it will indicate everything from brake fluid, engine oil to brake pads, which are okay at this time, which make this car ready for straight ride. So guys, these are the 5 things you need to check before you start your vehicle for work after lockdown. So these are the simple checks that you can do when you're at home. Make sure it's safe for everyone when you drive the car. Plus, it's a simple fact, if you take care of your car, it will take care of you eventually. Alright? Be safe, be responsible and hit the subscribe button if you like this video. Peace out.